Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Cherokee Grey Wolf 25RRT-BL. This camper comes in at 30 feet 10 inches tongue to bumper and weighs right at 5,900 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. We have your hard shell cover with the quick access lid. Behind me, we have your diamond plate rock guard and the curved radius front end. Part of the black label package is going to be the fiberglass exterior sidewalls and the deep tinted frameless windows. Also on this model, you'll notice the drop frame up here. We have this massive front storage compartment. It also has the magnetic door latch here. Inside, you see you've got plenty of room here for oversized items to take along. We also have your LED light inside. This camper is equipped with power jacks. The switches for those are on the other side, but basically how that operates, one side will come down and hit the ground first, then the other one will come down to equal out in pressure. Underneath, up front, there is also an LP quick disconnect, so if you take a portable gas grill with you, you can tap right into the gas that's already on the camper, so you don't have to take another tank with you. Here we have your power awning with the blue LED accent light. Each leg is adjustable, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. Sturdy steps going into the camper where each leg is adjustable if you're on different levels of ground. Oversized grab handle to help you in and out of the camper. We have your full-size black tempered glass door with an integrated window and a full-size screen door as well. Outside entertainment center where your speakers light up blue. We have a TV bracket. It's the same bracket on the inside, so you simply lift your TV up, bring it out here and drop it in. And then we have your TV connections on the side. Up top, we have a vent, so you can get cross ventilation if you're hauling anything with fumes to keep those aired out while you're traveling down the road. We have the center cap popped off. These are the quick easy lube axles. All four wheels have self-adjusting brakes and also this tire pressure monitoring system. How that works, the side of this will turn red if you're low on air, so we'll unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. This camper is also equipped with the Adventure package, giving it the off-road tires and a 2-inch lift as well. As we make our way to the back here, we do have your leash latch so the furry family members can tag along. In the back, we have your patio system all set up. You'll notice we have the screen patio all the way around. This camper also has a screen wall that will roll down to help keep the bugs out and the air in. Up top, we have a nice bright LED light, so if you're loading anything up at nighttime, there's also a camera included as well. There's also a moonshade. You'll see it hanging up on the wall in the corner here, and it's essentially a tent or a cover to give you some shade on the back porch. Make our way around here. We have your other vent for that cross ventilation. Your electric switch for the jacks in the back are right here for up and down. Underneath, we also have a sewer hose holder, so you can store your sewer hose underneath when the camper is not, or when you are not using your sewer hose. Here we have your furnace vent. We also have your range vent up top. This is a 30 amp unit and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. Here's your black tank flush, so when you're done camping for the week or weekend, you would hook your water hose up here. That'll clean out the black tank for you. Outside shower with hot and cold water. And then over here, we have this LED light with an on-off switch out here right by your dump station and water connections as well. Right here, we have your water fill station. So the city water on the right-hand side. So if you're at a campground, hook your water hose up here and that'll pressurize the lines for you. Here we have your fresh water. So if you're going to be dry camping or boondocking, you'd fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump and use that water. Cable connection, if the campground offers that, you can tap right into it. And then of course your dump station down below with the black handle for your black tank and the gray handle for your gray tank. Up here we have your other switch for your electric jacks in the front. And last but not least, we have your on-demand water heater. It is a tankless system, so it is gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water. So about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. And that'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Cherokee Grey Wolf 25RRT-BL. And now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice the tie-down brackets come all the way up front here. So if you're going to be loading up your toys, you have the ability to bring those all the way up to the front. And we have your kitchen inside. your booth dinette in the back, of course the patio system. And we're going to go ahead and get started right inside the entrance door over here. Up top, we have one of those vents, so you can keep the camper vented out with the fumes. Down below, we're going to have your stereo connection here, so you would use your phone, and you can play music off your favorite app, such as Pandora or YouTube there, and that will control the Zone 1 and Zone 2 speakers, so inside and outside speakers. Here we have your main control panel where you can see how full your tanks are. Turn on your water pump. There are also 12-volt heating pads on all of your holding tanks on this camper for cold weather camping. You can turn those on and off here. We have your light switches and your awning switch in and out, and a 110 outlet right underneath there. Here we have a nice large picture window. You get two on this side and another 110 outlet there. Again, we have your booth style dinette here. In the back, you can notice these tie-down brackets. You get more of them as we go back, and then they spread out and go the full width in the back. With this dinette, you can pull the backs off and get two individual sleeping areas, or the table can lay flat. You can push the cushions together and get one nice large sleeping area. In the back, you'll notice we have the two speakers that light up blue. Those will be your interior speakers. Again, we have the screen wall that can roll down. It is in the up position now. And of course, the patio system, which just really opens up the camper, lets in a ton of extra sunlight and air. Hanging up in the corner on the wall is that moon shade. Underneath that, we have the other vent for your cross ventilation. Overhead storage back here with cabinet doors, so you can utilize that as storage while traveling. Another window on this side. Moving into the kitchen area, you'll notice we have a lot of extra LED lights in here. You'll notice two under the cabinets and three up top. This camper is very bright inside. They do a great job. And you can turn those lights off individually as well if you wanted to just turn one on as a night light. Up top with the cabinets with the glass fronts, giving it a nice home feeling. We have your range vent to the outside. Nice large kitchen window. We also have the upgraded countertop. It is a solid surface countertop, part of the Black Label package. Here we have your farmhouse style kitchen sink. This is a nice large single bowl sink here. It comes with this drying rack and cutting board also included. You can see the nice large sink here. We have your cup rinsing station. You simply turn your cup upside down, push down on it, and that will rinse out your cup for you. It is equipped with the high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer as well. Down below underneath, you get a storage drawer. At the bottom, it comes equipped with a built-in trash can. Great feature here. We have some storage underneath the sink area. We'll open that up and take a look down there. Over here, we have your furnace, and then the microwave, which is also a convection oven and an air fryer. All three in one. So a really nice combo unit there. Here we have your 3-burner stove with the glass cover, so you can utilize that as prep space if you are not cooking. Over here, underneath the refrigerator, we have your breakers and fuses. That red key is a 12-volt cutoff switch. You can kill all 12-volt power to the battery when the camper is not in use. And then we have your CO detector. 12-volt refrigerator. So this is nice. They are much more efficient than the gas electric. They cool down much quicker, and they're also deeper as well. They are 12-volt only, but we do have 200 watts of solar already mounted on the roof on this model. That'll help run this as you're traveling down the road. Over here, we have your TV connections up top. TV bracket already mounted on the wall. Some storage here. And down below, we have your shoe garage. So you can walk right in, kick your shoes off, and tuck them away underneath there. This model has a hallway going to the bedroom, so if somebody is in the bathroom, you can still get up into the bed. Here we have your digital thermostat for your furnace and air conditioner. That will allow that to turn and cycle on and off. And now we will move into the bathroom area. You'll notice inside we have the toilet at an angle, so you get plenty of leg room on both sides. Up top, we have this nice large Max Air exhaust fan. AC is ducted all the way through, including up into the bedroom. We have your medicine cabinet. To the right, that is going to be your digital thermostat for the on-demand water heater, where you can turn it on and off and adjust the temperature of the water itself. Light switch down below, a 110 outlet, and we also have this nice high-rise sink in here, part of the Black Label package, and of course some storage down below. Here we have your corner shower, so with the sliding doors. So these radius showers are nice. Get lots of room inside, and you don't have to fight with the shower curtain. We also have the upgraded shower head here, skylight in the shower, and then over here we get a couple more storage doors for some extra linen storage in the bathroom. And now we will make our way into the bedroom. With this model, there is a door over here, so you can go directly from the bedroom into the bathroom. As we make our way inside, this is going to be the RV King mattress. You'll notice we have these decorative totes up on the bed. These two go over here on the left-hand side underneath. They slide in and out for some easy storage. Excuse me. There are also another two over here on the right-hand side of the bed. Those will pull out for easy access as well. Up here, you're going to get a window on both sides of the bed. We have a couple storage closet areas down below here. We have hanging storage up above. And you'll notice the cabinets that go all the way across here with the doors on them, so you can utilize that as storage as you're traveling as well. Up front, we have your decorative lights. You can have it on as a blue light or a white reading light. And then over here, you get this nice little cubby hole. And in the back, there is a 110 outlet and 12-volt charge port on the wall over there. We'll try to get around. But as you can see, we got the 110 outlet and 12-volt charge port over there. Again, the bedding is included here. On this side of the bed, you get a built-in nightstand, one that's up higher, and you also get one that's a little bit lower. Again, we have the window over here. You'll notice this outlet looks a little bit different on this side of the bed. This outlet actually has a built-in inverter with it, so as you're traveling down the road, if you pull over to a rest area, you can get 110 power to this outlet, even if you only have 12-volt power currently going on the camper. Right here, we have this hidden storage compartment. As you can see, this nightstand will slide out, and you get a nice hidden storage compartment there. So that is another great feature by Cherokee. And as we swing back around, I wanted to point out we have a furnace duct coming through all the way up into the bedroom as well, over there in the corner. And in the bedroom, you also get a TV bracket on the wall with the connections up top there. So that will conclude our walkthrough of the Cherokee Grey Wolf 25RRT-BL. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.